A lot of the content we interact with on our Mac is to do with text and reading. In this video, we are going to look at ways you can customize text size and make it easier to view smaller print. Open System Settings, then click Accessibility and Display, then scroll down to Text. Under Menu Bar Size, click to turn on Large. This makes your top menu bar larger. Every little bit helps, right? Let's click into Text Size, and new in macOS Sonoma, you can adjust this text slider to even larger sizes, and notice as I move the slider, even my menu items in the sidebar behind get bigger. Depending on your preferences, you can even customize text size per app for these included apps. So if I want my calendar to have larger text, but I want my emails to remain smaller, I can choose exactly how I want those to appear by selecting the size in these drop-down menus. When you're finished customizing to your unique needs, click Done. Sometimes even the largest text might not be quite large enough. That's where Zoom may come in handy for you. Click on Accessibility in the System Settings sidebar to get back to the top menu, then click on Zoom. Here, you can choose to use keyboard shortcuts or your trackpad to access Zoom. We are going to look at trackpad because it's really easy and versatile. Click to turn on Use Trackpad Gesture to zoom, then below, click to turn on Use Scroll Gesture with modifier keys to zoom. By default, the modifier key is the Control key. You can use the drop-down menu to change it to Option or Command if you prefer. I'm going to keep it as Control. Now all I need to do to get a real close-up on anything I want to see on my Mac is hold down the Control key and swipe up or down on my trackpad using 2 fingers. Swipe up with 2 fingers to zoom in, and swipe down with 2 fingers to zoom back out to full screen. Below Zoom, you also have Hover Text. Hover Text makes it even easier to view text on your Mac display if it's too small to read. Let's click to turn it on and have a look at how it works. As soon as we turn it on, I can start to use Hover Text by holding the Command key and hovering my pointer over the text I need to see larger. Hover Text will even show you if a toggle is on or off when you hover over it. You can customize Hover Text to your personal viewing needs. Click on the eye next to the Hover Text settings, and here you can make the Hover Text size bigger. Let's up it to 70. And even change the font. There are loads of fonts to choose from. Fonts like Arial, a sans serif font, are really popular for digital content and some types of dyslexia. But for some low vision people, a font with a serif, like Times New Roman, might make it easier to differentiate different letters like an I and an L, for example. The flicks or serifs on the ends of the letters can make it much clearer and easier to consume that content. Customization doesn't stop there. You can even adjust the colors to create the right contrast that suits you best. Yellow on blue works really well for me, so let's choose yellow for text color and blue for background color, and I think I'll try a red border. That's much better. Those are some of the ways you can customize text and get a larger view of your content on Mac. Try these settings out for yourself and see what works best for you.